Hi friends, for today's video we are going to be following another bradmondo tutorial. If you missed my last following a bradmondo tutorial, I'm going to put it right here, also link it in my description box. It was an epic fail. Oh shoot, her head popped off. So uneven. But I'm feeling hopeful for this next one. So I have decided to try a freestyle balayage. Not on my hair, don't worry. I just got it colored, so absolutely not on my hair. And not on Lydia's hair. This is who I used in my last bradmondo tutorial. I got scammed. They said this was human hair on Amazon. It's not. It feels so plastic and fake. I don't know how I didn't tell a difference, so Miss Natalie, she's gone. Introducing Lydia. This is Lydia. She has human hair. How do I know she has human hair? Because I researched it. I bought this from Sam Villa's website, and he is a very well-known hairstylist. He partnered with Pivot Point. I know a lot of hair academies, hair schools use Pivot Point for their mannequin heads. So I'm feeling extra confident this time that I got real human hair. This feels like real hair. So we're gonna try to balayage it and see what the heck happens. So wish me luck. Now I'm the person that will fail and fail until I figure it out. So we have here 30 volume developer, which I asked my hairstylist what she uses on mine, and she says like 7 or 20. So she said she doesn't like to use 30 because it can damage your hair more. So already apologizing to Lydia for giving her 30 volume. And then I got some bright white powder lightener by Ion, ammonia free, keratin infused. I'm so bummed about this one because I wanted to tone her hair and like do a gloss. So I got the Redken Shades EK gloss, and I thought I could use this developer, but apparently you need a special Redken developer. So, and then of course like this bowl and brush. According to Brad, first thing you do is of course brush through her hair. Now I'm a little scared because her hair is like kind of orange, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. That's why I was kind of hoping that I got the right toner, and of course something always has to go wrong, and we haven't even started. So Brad parts her hair and he does like 4 sections, and a lot of people do like V sections, right? So that's what we're gonna do. In a ratio of 1 to 1.5 up to 1 to 2.
What does that mean?
Okay, so Brad said he eyeballs it.
I'm one of those people that eyeball it. Okay.
So that's not good for me. But he does say if you don't want to eyeball it, use 2 parts bleach, 1 part developer until it's, you know, a good consistency, but you don't want it too runny. We're gonna mix this and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Look how thick that is. This is what mine looks like. Hairstylist, comment down below if this is what it should look like, because again, your girl does not know what she's doing. So I have seen people do this and they do like these. Oh my God, her head came off. Oh, you just take like a V section.
So we're gonna do some diagonals.
How's that look? I can't even part. And I don't think we want to mess with the front just yet. All right, can you guys see what I'm doing? Oh my God, our head keeps popping off. We're just gonna take our bleach and start painting. Oh man, they make this look way easier. And I know they kind of like saturate the ends pretty heavily. You do it like that. Do I look like I know what I'm doing, guys? Now, I guess my question is, do they do the backside? I think they do, right? I always tell my hairstylist, like, if she ever leaves me, I'm gonna have to learn how to do this by myself because I'm not going to another hairstylist. All right, so like I see people do it like this, and then I see people go down. But you want the real coverage, I think, towards the ends. How does that look, guys? How do you get bleach from not getting all over her head? I'm just gonna take another section. Oh. Am I supposed to leave hair covering? Or do you just keep going? Goodness. If you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. I don't think I will be balayaging my hair anytime soon, but if I have to one day, I will. I think everyone's like bleach looks extra creamy and mine doesn't. Well, we're just having fun with this. At the end of the day, we're having fun. This may be an outdated technique. I don't know. Oh, you guys, you know what? I did buy some scissors that I am super excited about. They're nice scissors. I got them from Sally's. Obviously, I can't go to like a Cosmoprof or anything. Oh no. Oh, you guys see that? You know, I'm not trying to like make her blonde or anything. I just wanted to have like some dimension. So I'm really hoping I don't fry her hair. All right, here's Miss Lydia starting with the top, and we're gonna look all the way down. I mean, it doesn't look awful, right? That looks really thick. Yeah, so we're just gonna see what happens. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, and here is what the other side looks like. Start with the top of her head, work our way down. This side I did way more bleach. You see how much thicker it is in some spots? So I'm a little worried about that, but we'll see. I'm gonna look up how long to let her process because I have no idea. These instructions are really not that good. So this is probably where you would learn this stuff in like hair school, which I did not go to. Maximum total processing time is 50 minutes. So I'm gonna go rinse my bowls, clean up. Oh my God, I feel like such a hairstylist. And I'll be back. Just checking in here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for. It looks the exact same. Let her hang out maybe another 10 minutes or so, and then I'll wash her. All right, so I am washing her now. I'm getting all the bleach out before I get the shampoo and conditioner out. Giving her the full spa treatment with a nice head massage. My back was killing me after this. When I took the towel off, I couldn't really see a difference. So I was starting to get worried. You can see my face here. So now I'm just going in, blow drying her. Then I'm going to style her with my Shark. I thought I did a voiceover here, but my microphone was off. So I was just telling you I'm surprised at the results. But here's bradmondo's results just so you can get an idea. It's very subtle, right? And just as a reminder, here is Lydia before. Here's what her hair looks like. And then here is the after. So you guys let me know if you see a difference. I think it definitely lightened her up. I think she looks even more orange. Now, obviously the lighting is different here. And maybe I'm delusional, but I think I can see the lightness, the highlights, the balayage, whatever you want to call it. I can see it. I mean, there is a little bit of dimension. Is it subtle? Yes. But look at the ends. You can see the ends definitely lightened up. I really wish I would have had the toner, so I'm bummed about that. But I am pleasantly surprised with how it turned out. With how bad my last bradmondo video turned out, I thought this one for sure was going to be bad. But I think it looks good. So comment below what you think. Again, my microphone is off here, but I just wanted to hear what you guys think. Comment down below. Give me some tips. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.